As a board member, I feel incredibly proud collectively of the team at DSW because of what we've achieved with this phenomenal event that is In Sports Series. 16 years ago, when it all started back in 2003 in Cymru, there were 80 children. This weekend in 2019, we're expecting something in the region of over 1,000 children and adults coming through the gates.
We were really delighted to be invited to this event today because I think it gives fantastic exposure to different sports for children, young people and adults with different disabilities.
I think every time I come into this environment, it blows me away in terms of the buzz, the energy, the enthusiasm, the excitement, not just for the children, young people and adults tomorrow who will come and engage in the 20 plus sports that we've got on offer, but for the volunteers, for the DSW staff, for the partners who come and see it perhaps for the first time, or for ongoing times because they've been involved with us for years and this event for years.
It's very important for everyone to know about Sports Disability Wales and how much they encourage young people.
And also it's good to get the awareness for those more mainstream kids who don't necessarily know about Paralympic sport, can sort of understand the more finer details, and obviously bocce is one of the best sports because everybody can play it.
I'd like to see more people into disability sports. I'd like to see more varieties on the sports. There are many sports out there that I feel as though could feature a disability variant that frankly aren't there.
We've been on, how can I explain, like these wheelchairs, and we have to like play basketball on wheelchairs. We've been on, yeah, the wall is like a big, humongous wall like this big, and we need to climb up it on a rope.
Today was brilliant because I got to like have so much fun playing with others on the wheelies and doing gymnastics and having fun with my friends.